Hello everybody. I'm going to take out a cutting from this Deliciosa Monstera. I will be putting it in water so it will root. Although, if you don't want to wait for it to root more, this little node right there, see right there? That is a root. So we're going to cut right underneath that, okay? You have to be very careful not to upset the plant. Excuse the noise. My little puppy is playing with his toys. So I want to cut a piece out of this plant. So I will be cutting it like this, right under the node. I need the node. Otherwise, I don't think it will root. It has to have a node. So that little root there, it's not even a node, it's a root. So I will cut it under there. All right, so there is a cut I did, and there's my plant. So I kind of slanted cut it. There we go. So that I'm going to remove the extra leaves. I'm going to remove on the bottom of it, just 2 leaves, and the rest will stay. There is my Monstera, and it did have a bigger root, which I did not see on the other side. See that? So if you plant it directly, it will grow because that is big enough. But I'm old-fashioned. I don't know why. I rather have the other roots to grow more bigger. So there it is. That's how I do my cuttings for the Monstera, and then I repot it in a different pot, and then I sell it. I'm gonna tap some cinnamon on that cut so that way no infections, no diseases touch it. All right, so we have an update. I believe it's more than 2 weeks. I did not write down the date, but here is the update. You can see, look at the roots on this cutting that I did on the Deliciosa Monstera. There you go. Sorry for the sound in the background. That is my little pup with his toy. All right, so yes, look at all the roots on this. I don't want to disturb it, but yes, there it is. All the roots in there. I also have this, the oregano, which you can tell the difference. It's very thin. And this is the Deliciosa Monstera. It's full of roots. Now I'm going to put it in a pot and put it in front of a bright window. Subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos. Comment below, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.